And here's how to clean a WordPress website and start over. So this is my WordPress website. As you can see, I have installed custom themes and I have uploaded bunch of custom fonts, custom posts on this WordPress site. Now here's how to easily clean a WordPress website. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and hover over on plugins, go to add new plugin, and remember one thing that must back up your WordPress website before resetting or cleaning. Okay, once you are in this add new plugin page, type here WP Reset and search for it. All you have to need install and activate this WP Reset plugin. Once the plugin activated, hover over on tools and here click on WP Reset and you directly jump into the plugin dashboard. Here select reset and please read carefully before proceeding. So here we can see after resetting, all of my post pages and custom post types will be reset. So now scroll down and here what happens when I run any reset tool. Remember, always make a backup first or use snapshots. You will have to confirm the action one more. So read this very carefully and go to site reset section. Here we can see three different options. So after reset, if you want to reactivate your current theme, check this option. After reset, if you want to reactivate all of your current plugins, check this box, and reactivate all currently active plugins, so you can check this box. But I'm unchecking all of these options because I want to completely reset my WordPress website. And then in this box type here reset and then just click on reset site, reset WordPress, and it may take some moments to completely reset your WordPress site. Once done, let's go to our WordPress website once more. And here, as you can see, my site successfully reset, and this is the default theme for WordPress website. Let's go to post section. Also here we can see all of my posts have been deleted. Let's go to media, and here we can see all of my media deleted. Let's go to pages. All of my pages have been deleted, and let's go to plugins, and here we can see all of my plugins have been deactivated. Now to delete plugin, you have to select all plugins here manually. So select all plugins and click on this bulk action drop down, select delete and click on apply. Okay, and you have successfully resetted your entire WordPress website. Now go ahead and build your WordPress website from scratch. Thanks for watching.